Students, today I'm going to teach class 7 science subject, that is 14th chapter, motion and time. So when we talk about motion and time, the motion is one of movement, moving one place to another place. Say you walk one place to another place, that is one of the motion. Or you pushing some objects like table, you pull or push. Or a car moving on the road, or a soldier's march past in the field, that is one of the motion. And time, so the motion takes times to move one place to another place. What time actually he takes, what time actually he needs to move one place to another. So let us follow the text. The movement of any object from one place to another in a specific way is called motion. It is clearly mentioned here in the textbook that the movement of any kind of object one place to another in a specific way according to in need times to move, that is motion. Motion is related to distance, time and speed. See, the motion is related the speed, the times and the distance. What distance you need, what times you require, and how speed do you move, that is motion. Motion could be in straight line. So the motions is different way, like motion could be straight line or circular or periodic. These are the types of one kind of motion. So some objects moves around, some objects move straight, some objects could be moved like a car, right turn, left turn, like. So without any let us come to the types of motion. The motion of the earth around the sun is circular motion. So the motion of the earth of the planet is moving around the sun. Sun is on the fixed. Sun is fixed and the earth is moving around the sun, that is circular motion. Or a stick of clock moving round, turning round in the clock is also one kind of circular motion. Or a wheels of a car, while car runs on the road, the wheels moves round and round, that is one of circle. So the motion of a pendulum or that of a swing is periodic motion. Another periodic motion, pendulum or the swing is swing, that is periodic motion. Example of swing: so we have here pendulum or swing. Like when we hang any kind of object on by tight of rope and we pull the objects and we release the object, then the object moves towards and backwards, towards and again backward. That is one of pendulum or showing the motion of soldiers in a march past or the cars moving on the roads is translatory motion. We have another translatory motion here. The motion soldiers march past in the field. Right turn, left turn, straight, sometimes straight and sometimes right turn, dynamo. These are one of the march parts of the soldiers. Example of translatory motion. That is the translate or the change the move or change the motion. Or the cars moving on the road. Cars moves on the road. Sometimes cars also run towards left turn, right turn, straight. Those are the types of motion. Now, the motion or movement could be slow or fast. Slow or fast motion. The motion of some objects is slow. Yes, of course. Some objects moves very slow. Some are speed. While that of other objects is fast. Other objects. Some objects moves faster than other objects. A train moves faster than a car, and the car faster than a cycle. Even the same vehicle may move faster or slower. Yes, of course. Same vehicles or a car sometimes faster, sometimes slow. It is because of some traffic or some turning point. These are the different ways or different times takes or the speed of the moves. It may be differ. How do we decide now which object is moving faster or which object is slow? To know this, we should know two things. Yes, which object is moving faster, slower. We have to know some things like one number, distance traveled by an object. An object moves or travel. What is the distance? We have to know the distance. Another, time taken by object to cover the distance. Yes, the object moving at a distance place, what times he actually required. So these things we have to know. What is your distance? How speed you go? How speed the object is moving? And what is the time required to cover the distance? So these are the slow or fast motion. Now we'll discuss about the speed now. Speed is the distance traveled by an object in a unit time. What is speed now? Speed is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. Example, when we say that the car is moving with speed of 80 kilometers per hour, it means that the car will cover a distance 80 kilometers in an hour. A car moves 80 kilometers in an hour, within an hour. So this could be, we can write speed equal to distance covered by time taken. So speed, that is 80 kilometers speed, distance 80 kilometers, and times is 1 hour. This speed measures is very important when in class 9 and class 10. It's very compulsory and common questions. It might different numbers, different, we have to calculate it in mathematics way. So we'll discuss another topics in the next class. So please follow this social media and get free of notes. Thank you.